I've been working on something recently. I love making containers because they're functional. My family and I just finished watching Arcane Season 2. Love that show. One of the greatest shows ever made, I think, to be honest. There are some things that I didn't really fully agree with, but really at the end of the day, the show is amazing. And what I've been working on is Jinx's grenade, Jinx's chomper, whatever you want to call it. I know that there are some models of powders, the little one, I can't remember what that was called, they're out there, but this one for some reason just looked really cool, and I had to make a file for it. And what's really cool about this file is that this particular version that you're seeing right now, completely glueless. Everything snaps together, everything's really easy, only a couple pieces require supports, you just snap it all together. This is a magnetic design. It won't open on its own. Again, this is a container, right? What's really cool is if you pull the pin out, okay, now you'll be able to take the top off. And it's all magnetized, and you can see you can fit a decent amount of stuff in here, and then that will magnetize together, pop the pin back in, and the jaws do move. The jaws you can put into different positions, so you can put that on your shelf however which way you want. This is version 1. Version 2, which I think looks really cool, is this one right here with all the little symbols on it. Now I have to say this is not fully completely finished yet. I ran out of copper filament and I'm waiting for copper filament. I couldn't get the one that I was using, and I'm the one that I think is going to be perfect is sort of back ordered, so I'm waiting a few weeks to get it, unfortunately. So it's going to be a little bit before I can actually print the rest of this and then do up really good photos, and then the actual model will be available. If you're interested in the model, it will be on our Patreon or our Cults page, HumbleHammerBros, on either of those two platforms. If you're interested in one of these printed for you like this, it will be on the TikTok shop at some point, as well as our Etsy, again, HumbleHammerBros. If you're interested in how I designed this, I have a YouTube channel called The Nerd Armory. If you just go to YouTube, type in The Nerd Armory, you'll see my dumb face. That's it. We're trying to hit 2K subs. But all things 3D printing, creative and whatnot, a video will go up there soon. But again, I just love that this won't open until you pull the pin, and then it will open, and you know, you can just store like little trinkets and knickknacks. And I love this size. My wife wants me to size this down to about 60%. I think that's a good idea. It just means I have to redo a ton of the stuff. So like and tell me in the comments if you think a smaller version is necessary or you'd like a smaller version. But again, really, it's these things that on this particular version may need glue. Some of these actually snapped in fine, like I think this one's actually being held in just how it is, but I do recommend probably gluing these in. But everything else just snaps together. You don't need glue, and it's very easy to print. Like, there's very little supports. I really thought about it when I was designing it so that it's easy for people to print and not have to worry about, just put it all together. The glue will be needed for the magnets if you're interested in using the magnets, but again, this particular version that I'm holding right now doesn't have magnets in it, and as you can see, I can hold it and it won't open. So you don't need the magnets, it's just really nice to have. But again, the jaws move and it would look really good on a shelf. I honestly can't wait to get these done. Follow for more.